I was diagnosed with endometrial cancer, went through some preliminary treatments and found out through a friend of mine about Cancer Care Services.
My late wife was going through cancer treatments, and as well as when I was going through cancer treatments as well. They provided numerous services for my kids, from financial, emotional, spiritual, you name it, it's unbelievable.
We could not have done this. We could not have survived this without Cancer Care Services.
I was really amazed of how they cared for me, how they made me feel like this was a place to call home.
Nearly 70 years ago, in 1946, Cancer Care Services was founded right here in Fort Worth, Texas, and we have been providing continuous services directly to cancer patients, survivors, their caregivers, and families for nearly 70 years. Cancer Care Services is really a pioneer as far as the cancer navigation model.
What we do at Cancer Care Services is actually go out and truly help cancer care patients survive cancer.
Anybody who's facing cancer, for them and their families, it's a financial, emotional, and social burden, and that's where we come in, and that's where we help them. We can provide counseling, we can provide financial assistance, and emotional support. We have all kinds of activities to take their minds off of this devastating disease and let them mingle and mix with others and make friends and sort of enjoy a real life.
I was referred to Cancer Care Services and really excited to find out that they did have support for the children, all ages. And my kids have been able to go to Camp Carter, through Camp Care.
And here at Camp Care, it's all about happiness.
Just seeing the kids open up to either the counselors or the music and art therapies, or even just to one another about, you know, like what they were going through, and you could tell it made them feel better just to get it out and find someone else who, you know, felt the same things.
One of the ways they helped me was to offer up to $300 per month in prescription help. They also helped me with up to 2 years worth of nutrition.
They helped us with transportation costs, COBRA premiums. They helped us emotionally as a family. They stepped in during the very hardest time of my father's life and my own.
She found a place where she could be understood. She found a place where she could have hope. And she had a place where she could feel inspired by other survivors. And a survivor could actually tell her, could walk up to her and say, you can survive this and everything's gonna be okay.
Cancer Care Services depends solely on individuals who make an investment in what we do. Without you, this organization could not exist. And we believe the help we provide really makes a difference in the hope and healing of cancer patients. We can't do it alone. We can only do it if our communities stand with us and reach into their hearts to make a difference in the lives of folks who are impacted by cancer. We hope that you will become involved in any way that speaks to you, whether it's giving your time, sharing your expertise, or even investing in our mission. And we thank you in advance for bringing our mission to life. Thank you.